Hello, I'm Michael Curry, Presiding Bishop of the Episcopal Church. This has been a tough time for our nation, tough time for our world. And part of that difficulty for all of us, to one degree or another, has been the COVID-19, the spread of the virus in this pandemic. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. There really is. Vaccines are being produced. Scientists and researchers have done and are doing their work. And slowly but surely, the vaccine is being made available so that eventually all Americans and hopefully all of the people around the world will have this vaccine. And we can battle and win the battle with this virus. But there is fear and concern, and I understand that. But this much I know. I've seen family members, other relatives, friends, people who have been parishioners, members of my congregations where I've served over the years, who have gotten sick, and some have died. And this vaccine holds hope of preventing that, of stopping that, so that no one has to die from this. And so I would encourage you. Now I would plead with you. Get the vaccine. Do it for yourself. Do it for those you love. And do it for all of us. When I was a young child, I remember receiving the polio vaccine. I received it and never had polio. My father was a child before the polio vaccine was invented. And he had polio as a little boy and walked with a limp to the day of his death in old age. He was so happy the day he knew that his son and his daughter had the polio vaccine to prevent them from having polio. This vaccine can prevent the COVID-19 virus. It can help you. It can help those you love. It can help us all. The Bible says you shall love your neighbor as yourself. And getting this vaccine, as well as wearing your face mask and keeping socially distanced and out of crowds, these are some simple and real ways that we can love our neighbor as ourselves. To love our neighbor. And while you're at it, to love yourself. God bless you.